Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Now, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, problem solving, and decision making. To use AI, you'll need to understand the basics of programming and machine learning. You'll also need to familiarize yourself with the various tools and platforms available, such as Google's TensorFlow, Microsoft's Cognitive Toolkit, and Amazon's machine learning. Once you've got the basics down, you can start experimenting with AI applications. Some popular areas include image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. Always keep in mind the potential impacts of your creations on society. That's it for today's lesson, folks. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, happy coding!